Let's start with our cherry tomatoes in a pan. 4 or 5 is good for one serving. Next, we're going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper. I happen to be using white pepper, but you can use what you have. I'm going to give that a good toss. Now add our fresh thyme, and we're going to broil that on high for 5 minutes. While the tomatoes are roasting, let's chop up some herbs to add to our 3-egg omelet. First, we're going to start with some chopped chives. Add that right to our bowl. Next, some chopped tarragon. Add that right to the bowl. And finally, some chopped basil. This is going to go great with our goat cheese omelet. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper. And whisk these eggs really well to a nice uniform yellow. We are actually stretching the protein bonds, breaking them down, and creating new structure with air to create a nice light texture. Let's pull out those gorgeous tomatoes to let them cool. Now we're going to add olive oil or a small non-stick pan. I happen to be using an 8-inch one. And let that heat up for 30 seconds. Pour in our eggs. And we're going to start whisking. We're going to whisk from the edge to the center. Get all those bits and try to form small curds so that the eggs begin to set but are still soft. So as you can see, the eggs are starting to set. I'm going to flatten it down. Now I'm going to add the peas. Pipe on some goat cheese. You may use a fork or a spoon if you like. Now for the fun part. We're going to fold the omelet once, twice, and to get the lip, we're going to tap the handle and fold the seam right over. Now on to our rustic salad. I'm going to start with some chopped spinach. Put that in the bowl. Next, we're going to add our roasted tomatoes. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and some shallot vinaigrette. Give that a good toss. Now let's plate. So I'm just stacking the salad to give it some nice height. And remember, there are no wrong ways to plate. This is your canvas. You can dress it however you like. Maybe you're making that omelet for that special someone, or maybe you just want to treat yourself. I'm getting hungry just talking about this. Wow, look at that delicious omelet.